Hello, it's Jana here. Today we will paint and draw a little cute bird robin. It will be such a fairy tale, whimsical robin. This paper is not watercolor, but for multi-techniques or mixed media. Its thickness is 250 grams per square meter. It behaves a little differently. It would certainly be better to paint on watercolor paper, but on the other hand, it's better to draw on this paper. So take your pick. I coated the paper with water to get a blurring effect. First, I painted the shape of the body and the head with such a brownish gray color. And then I painted the neck and belly with orange color. I whipped the excess water on the sides with a tissue so that the paint didn't spread too much, so that I didn't lose the shape of the bird. I also dry from the back so that the paper does not become curled. After it dries, I start to draw with a black marker with a thin tip. It will be the eyes and the beak, and then the legs, wings and tail. Don't be afraid and try it. Feel free to draw the parts of the body with simple lines. The legs are so thin, so unnatural, to make it to look funny and playful. And some highlighted feathers on the head. And now I took a white gel pen and I'm adding hints of feathers to make it look so soft, tender and fluffy. I put a little white in the eyes to make them shine, to open the eyes. Just a few more details. Finally, I will draw a twig so that it doesn't look like it's standing in the air. I will make the lower part darker because the sun shines from above. Light is from above. Well, I hope you like it. It's easy and fun. I hope you'll try it. And you can easily use this motif on Christmas cards. So good luck, have a good time. Bye bye.